Do 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 do. Happy Mother's Day. What? Hello, humans. You guessed it. It's Mother's Day. So, I had this big old day planned out for my mum. First, this morning, I got her a bouquet of flowers that I picked myself, a shimmering body lotion thingy, and some chapstick / perfume / yum. I don't know what it really was, but she likes it. And so then, later on, or when she's done with her floweringness, I am going to give her a pedicure and do her makeup, and it's going to be the best day ever. Anyways, so yeah, that's my Mother's Day thing. What about your guys's? Anything fun? Yeah, a tiny little can of Mountain Dew. I thought they were normal size, but there. And the other day, I made my friend some butterbeer latte, or yeah, it's from Harry Potter. It is actually white hot chocolate, surprisingly. So I took a sip of it, and I think I burnt off my taste buds or something, because this is all right here feels cold, and I didn't really feel anything. So yeah. So when I drink stuff, like, I can't feel it right here. It just feels like this smooth thing. I don't know. It's weird. And my cat's chilling out on my prom dress, which is coming up this Saturday. I'm so freaking excited. So it's me, one of my girlfriends, and then 2 twins. We're gonna go to Olive Garden, then get out of my house. Stupid ad. Sorry, we're gonna go to Olive Garden, then prom. Leave a little bit earlier to go laser tagging and stuff. So, I am a little bit iffy on whether to bring, like, for prom before we go anywhere, like, the drink it doesn't have any alcohol in it, but it's really good. And I told my friend that I was going to bring it, but I was a little hesitant to, because I wasn't really sure, because we're going out to dinner anyways, so I just don't know what to do. Probably not, though, because I'll be too, Samantha, would you stop it? No, I'm not hitting anything, it's just covering her with that shirt, because she keeps licking herself, which disturbs me. I really don't like it when cats, flesh animals, do that. Okay, so, little cray, and hey. Anyways, so yeah, that's gonna be my adventure. I'm glad to say I'm doing a lot better in school now than I was before, because I actually know what I'm doing. What? You want one? Yachty. Anyways, but yeah, so, that's my gown. My cap's over there on my dresser. Oh, my room's actually cleaner than it was now. I mean, it kind of looks bad on the camera, but it looks better in person, I swear. So, yeah, I looked up this Mother's Day song. Guess we'll watch it to see how it goes, I suppose. Got a minute to spare. I hate ads. Oh, there we go. What? I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. Aww. I'm not really sure what the girl's singing, but it sounds pretty. I think Justin, with her arms, I think she was trying to make a heart, but she doesn't have any hands or fingers, so... Yeah, that right there. Oh, that's cute. I mean, yeah. I wasn't quite sure, however, if he was trying to make himself be the girl or something, or just about kids in general, but that was adorable. What are you guys going to do for your Mom's Day? You should appreciate your moms, because sorry, I cannot talk right now. If it wasn't for them, you wouldn't be alive right now. So, better be freaking grateful for them. Jeez. I mean, they could have not had you. I mean, jeez. I mean, how sad would that be? Actually, that's kind of pretty sad. Anyways. So yeah, be grateful for your mom. And if you was adopted, then be even more grateful, because they love you still. Because they saw you and they're like, I want that child. Give it to me now. So, be grateful for that mom too. And if you don't have a mom, like, don't know what happened to her. But, oh, God damn it. Anyways, then be grateful to another strong woman in your life that you consider a mother figure, whether it may be your grandma, your aunt, your best friend's mom, someone out there that you like, I wish you were my mom. I love you. Just give flowers or something, dude. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys have a happy Mother's Day. Leave in the comments or something what you guys are gonna do. And yeah, so I hope you guys have fun. And I will see you later. I don't really know what the new Google ad means. Excuse me, but it's awesome. So, doot!